Hello. So I had no expectations coming here. I didn't know what to expect. But when I came here from the entrance, I was blown away, and I saw a very, very large factory. Yeah, I felt really small inside. That's how big it was. It was phenomenal, phenomenal experience. We went through all the equipment. They went out of the way to show me how everything moved and works. The good thing about it is there's always different languages in the equipment. There's the English, there's the Turkish, there's the Chinese, and then there's the French. And I think I saw Arabic. I'm not sure about that, but I definitely saw this on the phone. So I hope everyone would try Blue Elephant. It's a very, very good company. They make excellent machines. Thank you.